Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a super exciting package all the way from Europe. Our client has sent us something mysterious for a precision cut. Let's unbox this together and see what's inside. Whoa, look at that. This is a massive, absolutely beautiful high-purity quartz rod. This is some serious material from our European partner. Our mission today? To make a perfect, precise cut on this beast using our secret weapon. This is our state-of-the-art diamond wire saw. Now, let's securely mount this quartz rod into the machine. We need to make sure it's perfectly stable for a flawless cut. It uses a diamond-impregnated wire for incredibly precise and smooth cuts through hard materials like quartz, silicon, ceramics, you name it. It's fast, accurate, and minimizes material loss. A perfectly clean, mirror-smooth cut surface. No chipping, no cracks. Flawless. This is the precision our diamond wire saw delivers. Get more content on precision machining and interesting materials testing. Until next time.